Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing, but this time it's quite a rare bottle. Like, I did not, well, this bottle is like, it's made by Geminijet, and it's an airline that doesn't exist anymore, but the aircraft, it's a very interesting aircraft, so let's get our unboxing. So, what do you think it is? Well, I know. So now I can reveal in the box. Yes. I'm going to reveal the British Caledonian Boeing 747. That's 200. The 400 scale. What an amazing model. That is just such an amazing model. How is that possible? That is just such an amazing model. So, it's such a good model. Like, if I put it over this way. Oh. So let me just bring you close to the aircraft. Bring you close to the model. So you get this really nice 747. This aircraft is such a good model. I like it. It cost me £10 for that model. £10. That's like, that's a real good deal for that model. So yeah. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.